Medical Park Antalya Hospital Complex has been the largest privately owned hospital in the Mediterranean region since 2008. Serving the people at the most distant point with the mission of health for all. Medical Park Antalya Hospital Complex provides visitors coming from 30 different countries for healthcare services, with quality healthcare services in Antalya, which is one of the destinations hosting the most tourists in Europe. Welcome.
أهلا وسهلا.
Добро пожаловать.
Medical Park Organ Transplantation Center is the most preferred organ transplantation center, not only in Turkey, but also in Europe. Carrying out the transplantations above the worldwide average at international standards, Medical Park Antalya Hospital Complex hosts international visitors, as well as domestic visitors, at both adult and pediatric bone marrow transplantation units. Cardiology Department of Medical Park Hospital saves lives by performing cardiac surgeries along with state-of-the-art devices and internationally experienced physician staff. Medical Park Antalya Hospital Complex provides patients with all necessary services, together with VIP rooms and dining room offering continuous service. Medical Park Antalya Hospital Complex. Health for all.